Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a simple steps on how to fix your desktop icons is not working or is not showing properly in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the small window called Run. Here, please type for App Data. Again, type for app data. Once you've typed that, please click on OK to proceed. So here at app data, you will be able to see three file folders, namely local, local low, and roaming. We need to proceed with local, double tap to it. And here, please proceed with this option called view. Click this down arrow and go with show and click on hidden items. The moment you do it, you would be able to see a database file here. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and click on this trash bin icon. The moment you've deleted it, please navigate to this option, go with view, go with show, and click on it to unhide the items. Once you have unhide it, please close the window and proceed to the next step. The next step would be at the start icon, please do a right click and then scroll up and click on Task Manager. You can also press Control, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the processes. Here at the processes, if you don't see this option at the left pane, please click on these three lines, okay, and it will show you the as options. Here, please locate for processes, and under the processes tab, you need to scroll down and locate with Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So by that, please scroll down and locate for it. So I can see it here. Please do a right click and go with restart. The moment you restart your Windows Explorer, okay, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So those are the two simple steps on how to fix your problem. If you think those steps help you a lot, hopefully one of those steps help you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.